Let me walk you through how to set up Final Round AI the right way. First, go to the Final Round AI website and create an account using your email. Once you're signed in, head to the dashboard and click New Project. Here, type in the job role you're aiming for, like customer support, marketing, or software engineer. After that, upload your resume or paste your work experience so the AI can personalize your interview questions. Next, choose how you want to practice. It could be multiple choice, live simulation, or recorded answers. Make sure you allow microphone and camera access if you want a real interview feel. Before you start, check the settings like questions difficulty and time limit. When the sessions begin, treat it like a real interview. Speak clearly and stay calm so the AI can give accurate feedback. Once you're done, review the report it gives you on tone, confidence, and keywords. Use that to improve, then repeat sessions until you feel ready. That's it. Simple setup, and you're already training smarter for your next job interview. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.